The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5, a defining electric SUV in a transformative era. In the rapidly evolving world of electric vehicles, EVs, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 emerges as a beacon of innovation, style, and accessibility. Since its introduction in 2021, the Ioniq 5 has captivated drivers and critics alike with its bold design and forward-thinking technology. The 2025 model year elevates this legacy, introducing a larger battery, enhanced range, rugged and performance-oriented trims, and seamless integration with Tesla's supercharger network. These updates ensure the Ioniq 5 remains a formidable contender against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Kia EV6, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Volkswagen ID.4, while reinforcing Hyundai's commitment to sustainable mobility. This comprehensive exploration delves into every facet of the 2025 Ioniq 5. Its aesthetic allure, interior refinement, performance versatility, charging prowess, safety credentials, and its broader role in shaping the future of transportation. Exterior design, a timeless fusion of past and future. The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is a visual masterpiece, harmonizing nostalgic cues with futuristic ambition. Drawing inspiration from the 1974 Hyundai Pony, South Korea's first mass-produced car, and the sleek Concept 45 EV prototype, the Ioniq 5's design defies the homogeneous curves of modern SUVs. Its boxy silhouette, sharp angles, and minimalist detailing create a striking presence that feels both retro and revolutionary. Proportions and presence. Measuring 182.5 inches in length, 74.4 inches in width, and 63 inches in height, the Ioniq 5 occupies a compact footprint, yet exudes authority thanks to its 118.1-inch wheelbase, the longest in its class. This extended wheelbase not only enhances interior space, but also lends a grounded, athletic stance. Interior, a sanctuary of space and serenity. Entering the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 feels like stepping into a futuristic lounge, where space, comfort, and technology converge. Built on Hyundai's electric global modular platform, EGMP, the Ioniq 5 leverages a flat floor to maximize interior volume, creating an airy, welcoming environment that rivals luxury SUVs. Seating and ergonomics. The long wheelbase translates to exceptional legroom, with rear passengers enjoying 39.4 inches, comparable to vehicles a class above. Inches. Front occupants benefit from supportive seats with 8-way power adjustments, heating, and ventilation. On SEL and above, higher trims introduce relaxation seats, which recline to a near horizontal position with adjustable leg rests, mimicking zero-gravity comfort for long drives or charging stops. The XRT trim features durable H-Tech synthetic leather with rugged patterns, while the Limited offers premium leatherette in sophisticated tones like obsidian black or dove gray. Technology at your fingertips. The dashboard is dominated by a seamless dual 12.3-inch display panel, integrating a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen. For 2025, Hyundai upgrades to the Connected Car Navigation Cockpit (CCNC) system, delivering crisper graphics, faster response times, and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. A significant improvement over the wired setup of earlier models. Over-the-air (OTA) updates ensure the software evolves, adding features like new drive modes or interface tweaks without a dealership visit. The system supports multi-user profiles, voice recognition, and natural language commands, making it as intuitive as a smartphone. Storage and versatility. Practicality is a cornerstone of the Ioniq 5's interior. A sliding center console adjusts to create extra space or conceal valuables, doubling as a work surface with cup holders and USB-C ports. Powertrains and driving dynamics. Versatility for every driver. The 2025 Ioniq 5 offers a diverse lineup of powertrains, catering to commuters, families, adventurers, and performance enthusiasts. Built on the EGMP platform, it combines efficiency, flexibility, and exhilarating dynamics. Standard Range Rear-Wheel Drive (RWD). The entry-level SE Standard Range model pairs a 63 kWh battery with a single rear motor, producing 168 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, offering a relaxed yet responsive drive. With an EPA estimated range of 245 miles, It's perfect for urban dwellers or cost-conscious buyers seeking EV benefits without breaking the bank. Long-range rear-wheel drive (RWD). Stepping up to the SE, SEL, or limited trims with an 84 kWh battery, the single-motor RWD setup delivers 225 horsepower and a class-leading 318 miles of range. Its 7.5-second 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint feels lively, with smooth power delivery ideal for highway merging or long-distance cruising. The rear-drive layout enhances handling balance, making it a favorite for purists. Long-range all-wheel drive (AWD). Dual-motor AWD models, SE, SEL Limited XRT, combine the 84 kWh battery with 320 horsepower, 74 kilowatts front, 165 kilowatts rear, and 446 pound-feet of torque. They dash to 60 miles per hour in roughly 5.1 seconds, offering spirited performance and confident traction in wet or snowy conditions. Range varies from 269 to 290 miles, depending on wheel size and trim, with the XRT's all-terrain tires slightly reducing efficiency to about 280 miles. Ioniq 5N, performance redefined. The Ioniq 5N is a game-changer, transforming the family SUV into a track weapon. Its dual motors generate 601 horsepower, 641 horsepower with N-Grin boost for 10-second bursts, and 545 pound-feet of torque, propelling it to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds, and a top speed of 162 miles per hour.